Samsung Crystal 4K UHD TV Review. Ladies and gentlemen, please accept my greetings. Thank you for stopping here, and welcome to the section devoted to product reviews. You have helped me accomplish my goal of 1,000 subscribers on YouTube by subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate your assistance. More information about the Samsung Crystal 4K UHD TV may be found in the YouTube description box. Performance-wise, Samsung's Crystal 4K UHD TV lineup, which is distinguished by its eye-catching features, raises the standard for excellence in the television market to an entirely new level. For those of you who are just discovering this channel for the first time, please subscribe to it right now by clicking on the subscribe button. Thank you so much for your assistance. The ultimate aim of this video is to offer serious movie fans a viewing experience that is truly cinematic in nature, rather than just entertaining. 5 compelling arguments in favor of Samsung's new televisions have been developed. For those looking for a TV, Samsung has an unmatched reputation for producing high-quality products. If you're in the market for a TV, go no further than Samsung. Everything about the experience, from the immersive picture quality to the color reproduction to the amount of detail, is exceptional. The color and vibrancy of Samsung's OLED and QLED displays are unsurpassed by any other manufacturer, and no other brand even comes close to matching their performance in terms of brightness and contrast. The Crystal 4K Smart TV lineup has been upgraded to include a genuine 4K UHD screen that offers true 4K UHD clarity, in order to differentiate itself from previous generations of models. If you compare it to previous offers, the new TV series is a visual wonder. With 4 times the amount of pixels seen on a standard Full HD screen, it also has the best sharpness and clarity in its class when compared to previous offerings. No matter whether you are streaming high-quality content from OTT platforms, or using a USB stick to watch 4K video files from your own personal library or collection, we promise that your viewing experience will be exceptional. Because of the employment of cutting-edge technology, the unique Crystal Technology 4K processor. For a truly immersive viewing experience in 4K, it optimizes high contrast ratios and color accuracy in every scene. TV will automatically scaling up 1080p content to 4K resolution for an immersive viewing experience in 4K. TV will enhance the display performance via dual LED backlighting technology. An innovative new technology constantly adjusts the colors shown on the screen to guarantee that the proper color tone is provided for each situation. This technology is currently under development. It is only a firm like Samsung that is capable of providing the sort of dreamy viewing experience described above when it comes to large-screen TVs. The Crystal 4K TV lineup also includes cutting-edge pure color and 16-bit 3D color mapping technology. By utilizing this method to tie the color science, brightness, and contrast ratio to the wall, it is feasible to provide the spectator with the most genuine visual experience imaginable, regardless of the medium, and will feel more like you are a part of the material that you are viewing. With Samsung's High Dynamic Spectrum (HDR) technology, which increases the brightness and color spectrum of the display while simultaneously lowering the contrast ratio, there are no compromises when it comes to the picture quality of the new Samsung 4K UHD televisions. Apart from that, the Crystal 4K UHD series TVs are equipped with a technology known as Motion Accelerator, in order to provide the impression of less unwanted picture shaking than is really there. TV employs black frames and briefly turns off the 4K panel's light for a few milliseconds at the beginning of each frame. We will have an unmatched viewing experience as a result of Samsung's years of expertise in manufacturing large-screen TVs, which is a welcome note after years of waiting and frustration by smaller displays. Hope you enjoyed the video. You guys can initiate a discussion in the comment box, if you have any different opinions about the contents in this video. Be the first to start the debate in the box below. Purchase links related to the products in this video are kept in description. We will be grateful, if you could please make your next purchase from that link, as this will help us to grow our channel. Good morning, good evening and good night, whichever part of the world you are from. Don't forget to subscribe to stay connected. I will assure you to make quality and interesting videos in future. This is Jason Peter, signing off.